check out this Nova here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1971 Chevrolet Nova two-door poster, two-door sedan. 350 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. I'd consider this color indigo blue. Sharp color in this car. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, disc conversion up front, as well as tubular control arms. Also new bumpers front and rear, and you can see the chrome in the front one looking good. New headlights and headlight surrounds. If you want to see the pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. And I got that sleeper look with the steel wheels, Chevrolet wheel covers, Cooper Cobra radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I'll go through a list of recent service and parts that have been done to this within the past 5-6 months. And if you look at the still pictures, I'll also put the list in with the still pictures. Black vinyl interior, bench seat, shifter on the floor. As you can see, vinyl seats front and rear. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll also take a peek underneath the hood, and we'll also take this car for a drive down the road, show you how it drives out, take you for a virtual ride if you will. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's a few little spots where there are some imperfections in the paint. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. One of the things that was new on this, 2 new rear speakers and a package tray, as well as those bumpers I've already mentioned. Underneath the hood, alternator, battery, starter, aluminum radiator, thermostat, radiator hose with electric fans in that radiator, also new, V-belts, interstate battery, complete distributor system, plugs and wires also, fuel sender, carburetor, all fluids changed, new filters, rear brakes, and wheel cylinders also done. When we get to the interior, you're going to see headliners new, as well as door panels, and you can see the majority of those things I'm talking about in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And you can also see that list to make sure I'm not missing anything. Give you some highlights in the car and what is new on it. Take a look down the driver's side here. A little spot I noticed up here with a little bit of touch-up paint on it. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels. Vinyl bench seat. Seat belts intact up front as well as the rear, it looks like. Up that headliner. There it is, new headliner. This car has had a repaint according to the previous owner. It is all original sheet metal. Starts easily, aftermarket back on the steering column is working. Take a peek at the dash. Listen to that. This one sounds healthy. Definitely turns some heads with the way it looks and the way it sounds. Wow. Let's go up hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Underside of the hood. You can tell it has dual exhaust when you come over to this side also. Listen to that. Alright, was a factory AC car. Not all the components there. HEI ignition. There's a battery disconnect for in between drives, or maybe when it's in storage. There you can see new alternator. Power steering, power brakes. We got a new master cylinder brake booster back here. Your tubular control arms I mentioned earlier. Aluminum radiator, electric fan. Running smooth. Looks good underneath there. And remember to stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to take this car for a drive. See how it goes down the road. 1971 Chevrolet Nova, 2-door post. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you have to call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Kind of a bluish purple color. Good color on this car. Black interior. Nice loud exhaust on this car. It is an automatic on the floor, even though it does look like a stick shift sticking up there. Good throttle response and nice acceleration. We have a aftermarket radio in the dash. With a good song playing. The fuel gauge reading 3/4 of a tank. We have a tachometer right here on the column. Blower motor works, wipers work. Comfortable bench seat in this car. Nice interior. Good condition. Nice smooth ride. We've got lower and upper control arms and a tubular on the front end of this car, which helps us handle it a lot. Brakes working very well. Yep, the front end control is better than stock. It does corner pretty well. '71 Nova, always a popular car. They don't stay in stock very long. Take a look at this one at uniqueclassiccars.com.